So good morning students. Today's class I will start from the question number F. So question number F, A is Samira bought a watch for rupees 4,600 and sold it at a loss of rupees 150. So how much did she sell it for? That means cost price is given, again amount of loss is given. So we have to find the selling price. Okay. So question number F, A, given cost price of the watch is rupees 4,600. Okay, again loss is given, this is rupees 150. Okay, so we have to find selling price, SP. Okay, so we know that I think in the previous class, all of you learned the formula of loss related to cost price and selling price. Where is loss? Loss is equal to what? CP minus SP. Whenever cost price is greater than the selling price, then there will be a loss. And how much loss is the, or amount of loss is the what? Whenever you subtract SP from CP, that means cost price minus selling price is your loss. Suppose you buy a pen at rupees 10. And sell that pen, suppose at rupees 15. One of your students buy a pen at rupees 10 from a shop, okay, and sell that same pen to a another boy for rupees 15. Then in this case the selling price is greater than the cost price, so then there will be a profit. Okay, profit is equal to what? Selling price minus cost price. Whenever SP is greater than CP, then there will be profit. Okay, and reversely, suppose you buy a pen at rupees 10 and sell that pen at rupees 5. Okay, in this case what? CP is greater than SP, then there will be a loss. And how much loss? At CP minus SP. That means 10 minus 5 equal to 5. Okay, here whenever cost price is greater than selling price, then there will be a loss, and amount of loss is cost price minus selling price. So in this question, cost price is given, loss is given, so we have to find selling price. So we know that loss equal to what? CP minus SP. Okay, so loss is given rupees 150. Again CP is given rupees 4600. SP we have to find. Okay, now look at this one, rupees 150. This line actually I am written here. Okay, so previously like this one, like this. No need to write this line twice in your copy, but this line written below here, that is why I am writing this one here. Okay, so now this SP is negative here. Whenever it comes to this side, it becomes positive. So rupees 150 plus SP equal to rupees 4600. Okay, we have to find SP. So that is why this rupees 150 we have to take to the right hand side. So SP equal, so the right hand side remains same, rupees 4600. First thing remains same. This one is positive here, when it goes to that side becomes negative. So 150 you have to subtract. So SP equal to what? 0 minus 0, 0. So 10 minus 5, 5. 5 minus 1, 4. And this one is 4. So rupees 4450. So therefore the required selling price of the watch is equal to rupees 4450. Okay, I think all of you understand this.